Rently app. So Rently Tours, one of the most popular app to, you're looking something for rent in US, helps renter to look for and view apartments, home for rent on your own through our pioneering self-guided tours, agent tours, rental listing, online property matching. Um, so quite good ratings, but you can see some bad reviews as well. Uh, So good idea. The app appears to be the perfect solution for viewing properties at your own convenience, but it causes more headaches. Uh, oh, so some good reviews, some bad, and then you can just see where you wanna live. So, for example, all right, so it's auto updated, good. So let's say Austin, whatever. 80 results, and then for example, you can see self-guided tour, photos, maps. What are self-guided tours? Is a hassle-free solution that gives the tour of an apartment on your own. So visit the community website, select the units you want to self-guided tour, register and pick the time with the apartment you have chosen, uh, and then return the key. So pretty cool idea, because otherwise you literally need to book in the appropriate time, and if you have job, you literally need to ask, like from your job you need to ask for a lot of time, and it's a hassle. So it's super cool idea. And then you can just see in the map, for example, you can just see some photos. So basically that's the idea. So something like that, that's just what you can see. Take a look, then you can see the photos, whatever. So that's the idea.